Just driving by out of work here, and I just see this old hall, and these guys are in there with their machines, and they're tearing the woods out right beside it. So I'm gonna see there. I don't want to look like I'm wondering what the hell I'm doing with my camera, looking at them. But I'm gonna show you guys what we're dealing with here, and I gotta give Davey a call because this looks good, man. This is an old hall. Hold on a second. Okay, check this out.
Davey, I was driving out to work, this road, and there's this little community hall, super old one, like early 1900s community hall, right on the corner. I don't know if you know it. It's got a little parking lot. They're like tearing down the woods right beside it. The whole thing is whipped, like the bush and everything is torn out, and just flat dirt. Not even scrape it. You can get right in there with the machine, man. Give me a call. All right, we gotta check it out. Right.
Yo.
What if I found?
Okay,
we'll just go look.
A gold ring.
No.
A gun, an old toy gun. Dude!
Is it a toy gun?
I think it's a handle off a toy gun. It is a toy gun, see? Or it could be a real gun. It's a real gun wrapped up in tape. Killing, Tone. Tone's not a real gun. It's a real gun.
No, it's in its holster. It's in its holster.
Philly sticks.
It's in its holster. It's in a leather holster.
Holy crap, dude.
Dude, careful. You gonna get it out?
Take it out, or do you want to take it out? Okay, we're gonna take this gun out slowly. Oh, don't. You're about to bust the barrel off, Tone. Gotta be real gentle and just work around the gun.
I'm losing it, man. I'm losing it. It's a freaking handgun.
Boom.
It's like a handgun. It's a real. Look at the handle on it.
I'm just gonna be careful.
Oh,
horse feather. Found a real gun. Could be used in a killing, shootout in the 20s. It could have been some smuggler.
Okay.
It's gonna come out.
Is it?
Oh, it's all red tongue on the roots.
No.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's got the holster. It might be the whole buckle and everything. Look at it.
Whoa, dude. Look, it's in its old holster. But he found an old gun. Holy crap. Holy. Let's do it. Philly sticks. It's coming out. Freeze, you mother Philly stick.
Look at it. Look at it.
Whoa. Tone. Holy crap. Poo.
Is that a
That's
toy?
That's a real gun.
Is that a toy?
That's a toy for sure. That's a real gun, buddy. Dude, Roberto,
don't point it at yourself.
No, it can be okay, but look at the handle. How nice that is. Oh, Tony found a real gun. Somebody used it in a shooting and dumped it here. Probably in the olden days, somebody.
That's an old one?
Yeah, I think that's from the 1930s. I bet somebody was the wife in the 30s and blasted him and hid the gun here.
Dude, look at it. Okay. I'll hold it. You take it out. It's gonna come out easy.
Whoa, okay, here we go, dude.
Let's see. Just don't. I hold it.
Holy horse feather. Ooh, here we go. Oh, dude, it's kind of rusted out, but buddy.
Look at the handle. No, don't do that.
That is beautiful, Tone. You got a real gun, dude. Has anyone found a gun before? A real one?
No. Have you found a real gun?
No. This is a real gun. Too bad she's dead. But that means there might be more in here, Tone.
Yeah.
Right on, Tone. He got a real gun.
I wonder if there's anything else in the ground. Look at that.
That's old.
This could be.
Look at the designs on it. Like Texas Ranger.
Be really nice. Oh,
dude.
The whole, that is the coolest part though.
Yeah.
Look at the holster.
Look at that.
Oh.
It's been in the ground so long. This gun's probably been in the ground for at least the 1930s, I bet you. Prohibition. I bet you somebody caught somebody and dumped it. Somebody got pissed off with somebody in the hall and they blasted him and dumped it. Look at the handle, how nice that looks. I know, you know what? I think I slammed it right there. Look at it.
No, that's okay. It's pretty dead anyways.
Horse feather!
What you have to do, Tone?
Oh, look at that nice handle.
You might
Isn't
even get a
that
name
nice?
off of it, yeah.
Is it? No, it's not broken here. It's just...
No, it's just rusted out, man. It's just old, dude. This thing's probably about...
It might not be that bad,
70
though.
years
It might
old.
clean up really well.
This gun's probably from the 1930s, dude. It's an old handgun. It might be an old 22 or something.